At Fiskeby, it's not just about what we do, but also how we do it. Since 1637, our focus has always been on progress. Today, every other carton in Swedish grocery stores is made of carton board from our mill. We manufacture packaging board from 100% recovered fibre, meaning that the carton you submit for recycling becomes new packaging board at Fiskeby. We are the only carton board manufacturer in Scandinavia with the ability to also take care of plastic-coated packaging. By using water in a 40-metre-long drum, we separate the plastic from the paper fibre. The fibre becomes high-quality, strong raw material in our board production, while the plastic is incinerated in our energy plant along with other bioproducts to produce renewable energy. The plant makes us completely self-sufficient in steam and secures about 30% of our total electricity needs. The biogas plant utilises waste heat, increases our cleaning capacity, and reduces our environmental impact. Contributing to a sustainable development is paramount for us. With 3 sustainable cycles running simultaneously, we strive to minimize our environmental impact in each stage of the manufacturing process. We are the only recovered fibre-based board mill in Scandinavia. This gives us exclusive access to fibres of the highest quality, which means that our product can often be selected with lower grammage than other board qualities, while still achieving the desired strength. Multiboard is a multi-layer packaging board available in many different qualities, all with unique properties. In the manufacturing process, once the layers have been compressed, the board is dried with the help of steam from the energy plant. It's coated to obtain a bright and even surface with high whiteness. To ensure that the high quality is consistent and maintained throughout the entire production line, we regularly perform thorough tests. Packaging board for fatty and moist content is coated with polyethylene. We can also laminate the board with a metallized polyester foil, which creates excellent conditions for elegant printing. In the finishing department, the material is cut into sheets or smaller reels according to the customer's wishes. The final product is tightly wrapped and sealed for a safe delivery. At the end of the line, multiboard is loaded by electric trucks for further transportation across large parts of Europe. Most of the manufacturing process is automated, but it's the dedication and competence of our employees that make sure we always deliver what our clients are asking for. At Fiskeby, we have all the necessary skills gathered in one place. This makes us agile and a flexible and reliable partner. Our packaging board is cost-efficient, long-term renewable and strong, known for its high runnability and compression strength with very good stackability and stability in the final product. This is something we're proud of. Because at Fiskeby, we don't just do strong packaging board, we make it sustainable too.